Central World is a shopping plaza and complex in Bangkok, Thailand. It's the ninth largest shopping complex in the world. The complex, which includes a hotel and office tower, is owned by the company Central Pattana. In 2006, after 3 years of design and renovation, Central World was expanded to 550,000 meters square of shopping mall and 850,000 meters square of complex shopping nearby rival Siam Paragon in terms of size. The mall opened in 1989. Central Group acquired the property in 2000 and 2002 from the chain. The name was changed Central to Central World Plaza. In 2007, it was renamed Central World. It is on lease Crown Property Bureau land. In its acquisition, the Central Group Property Development arm, Central Pattana, secured a new 30-year lease on the site. Renovation. Anticipating the opening the luxury Siam Paragon, CPN started massive renovation and expansion on the site in 2002. CPN changed the name from the World Trade Center to Central World Plaza. The original mall structure was 300,000 square meters. The expansion plan boosted that to 430,000 square meters. The work was not yet complete. CPN held an official opening of renovated complex on 21 July 2006. It was expected to be fully operational by October 2006. At the time, CPN changed the name to Central World. By May 2007, the mall was fully open, but some part of upper floor remained vacant. Major exterior construction was ongoing on the hotel in the northwest corner of the mall and the extension floor to the Zen department store in southeast corner. The renovated complex aimed to attract 150,000 customers per day, spending more than 7 billion baht annually. It marketed itself as a middle-class shopping center opposed to the upper-class market Siam Paragon. Central World did not achieve its goal in terms of daily visitors because of several reasons, including political turmoil and an ongoing economic downturn. However, shopper numbers soon increased through reliable figures liking Bangkok New Year countdown celebrations were held in front of Central World, which quickly became a traditional, with a number of people increased every year.